Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to lock apps on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work for your Samsung Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus as well. Now quickly, the first thing you want to do is to open up the settings of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you find the security and privacy settings. Select that. Now scroll all the way down again until you find the more security settings at the bottom. Select that and then tap on secure folder. Click on the more option at the bottom, then click on continue. You'll be prompted to sign into your Samsung account, but if you do not have a Samsung account, all you can just do is to tap on the forget password or don't have an account option, then proceed to create a Samsung account by tapping on the create an account over here. But in my case, I already have a Samsung account, so I'll just go ahead and sign in with Google, which is actually linked to my Samsung account. Go ahead and agree to all of the terms and conditions, then click on agree. And now my Samsung account is signed in. You want to scroll all the way down, click on continue at the bottom, and a secure folder is now being created on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. At this point, you can proceed to set up a PIN, password, or pattern which you want to use to lock the apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In my case, I'll go with a pattern, and then I just want to proceed to enter my preferred pattern. Then tap on continue. Go ahead and confirm your PIN, password, or pattern. Then click on confirm over here and you're good to go. If you want to be able to reset your password using your Samsung account in the future in case you forget your password, then just tap on the allow button over here. Then proceed to select on the next button at the bottom. Now just go ahead and click on next. Then tap on the done button at the bottom. Now by default, these are the locked applications on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. But if I want to lock more applications, I will just tap on the plus icon at the top, then select the applications I want to lock. So I want to lock the Instagram application, the Facebook application, the Gmail application. Now just tap on done. Once you're done selecting all of the applications you want to lock, add all of them by tapping on the add button at the top. Basically, what this secure folder does is to create a duplicate of these applications, and then it protects them with your password, PIN, or pattern on a specific folder, which is actually the secure folder. So at this point, if you go back to the home of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and then search for those applications you have just locked, you should be able to still find them. But now we do have the secure folder, as you can see from over here, where you can find your locked applications. But these applications are actually different from the applications on the home screen or app screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So you can go ahead and delete these ones now. You can go ahead and uninstall them now, because you now have those same applications on the secure folder of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and you actually need your password, PIN, or pattern to be able to access the secure folder. So if I tap on lock and exit the secure folder now, if you want to access your locked applications like your Facebook, Instagram, and every other locked application, you will need your password, PIN, or pattern to be able to access the secure folder. If you also want to be able to hide the secure folder so that no one will be able to know that there is actually a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can open up the secure folder, tap on the three dots icon over here, then select on the hide secure folder, click on hide secure folder, and now the secure folder is nowhere on the home screen or apps page of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. At this point, if you want to access your locked applications, you will just have to go over to the settings, go over to the privacy and security settings, and then you just want to select on the more security settings at the bottom, then secure folder. You'll be asked whether you want to show secure folder. Just go ahead and click on show and then enter your password, PIN, or pattern. Now you can access the secure folder on the apps page, and eventually if you actually want to remove any applications from the secure folder, all you just have to do is to long press on that particular application, then tap on uninstall to uninstall it directly from the folder specifically. And I hope this video was helpful guys. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.